Hello all, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we will be showcasing the tool to meet the Indian company mandate, which is to have the data in India for the companies that have their financial data stored in servers that are outside of India. Per amendment of Company Act in August 2023, books of account and other records to be maintained in electronic mode on servers physically located within India. In this example, we are showcasing SAP ECC IDIS system. The same tool can be used for SAP S4 on-prem and private cloud. SLaiCE. SLaiCE is a patented tool and uses SAP tools to meet the company at mandate requirement. SLaiCE has other features as well, like carving of data and other scenarios, which we will cover in different video. For this demo, we'll be working on a source system and a target system. Our source system is EC1800. In EC1800, we have list of company codes. For our use case, we will be looking at company code IN47 in the model company. If you look at the database and look for financial documents, in BKPF, we can see more than 600,000 entries. And for company code IN47, we have 27 documents. A quick glance to one of the documents, in this case, ending with 03, company code IN47 for the year 2014, looks like this. Our target is EC2400. In EC2400, if you look into the database table BKPF, there are no entries. And if we go and look as this financial documents, document ending with 03 or IN47, 2014, does not exist. As we saw, our source and target have different data set. Our target has no transaction data. In order to meet the company mandate requirements, we need to have an ability to select and transfer the data from source system to target system by company code. This is where SLaiCE comes in. This is SLaiCE's admin cockpit. The admin cockpit has 4 sections. The first section allows the user to select list of database tables from the source system. The second section allows to define a mass transfer scenario. The third section allows to filter by attributes and transform data for data attributes. And the fourth section allows for download of config files. In the selection criteria, the system offers ability to search by SAP software component. In order to meet the company mandate requirement, the user can simply search by SAP Finance software component. The tool also allows to filter tables that have data records greater than what's entered in this field. For an easy viewability, the tool also provides table counts for all the selected tables. If the requirement is specific within the software component, Then the user can filter by application component, for example, general ledger, or by asset accounting. If the scope is even more finer and granular, the user can select list of tables by developer class or by list of tables. So for example, if we were to transform data for BKPF and BSEG, we can define a mass transfer ID and define a filter rule. In our case, Bucharest company code is equal to IN 47. We can also transform the client value. So in our case, the source system is client 100, while we filter data and select the data for client 800. The tool also provides ability to convert and transform the data to a different value, in this case 400. For our use case, in order to filter financial documents by company code IN 47, we have entered TL Bucharest, which is company code equal to IN 47. And since our target client is a different number, you can see we have also here selected mandate, which is client number feed, selection by client 800, and transform it to client 400. So using this, we can select SLaiCE data and transform. For our use case, we are filtering for financial documents. So we have selected BKPF and BSEG. And when we execute, the system provides an output of a metadata that can be used for subsequent processing. Here you can see the system has selected all the information regarding BKPF and BSEG. Also applies the filtering and the transformation logic by selecting client 800 and company code IN 47. It also displays the record count. In a different view, here in this scenario, we have selected all of the database tables pertaining to SAP Finance software component. You can see here, similarly, the filtering and transformation logic has been applied by the program. The selection is IN 47 for company code, client 800, transform to client 400. The system also displays the number of rows that have selected from the source system. You can see the system has selected various lists of tables pertaining to all the different modules of software components. Finance. Here are the education tables. Here are the standard financial document tables, the vendor table, the vendor balance table, customer, and many more. In order to meet this selection, the user can simply select it by the software component and provide the required filtering and transformation attributes. After the output preparation of metadata and execution of background data transfer jobs, we can see how the source and target data entries look in the system. In the source EC1800, we have the same 600,000 entries. And if we look very specifically for company code IM47, we see 27 entries. On the other hand, in the target EC2400, if we look up for Peter PF, we only find 27 entries, and all of the 27 entries pertain to IM47. Because the filtering logic has only brought up the data for IM47. Another quick check. By executing the financial document discrete transaction, the same document in bit 03 for IM47, fiscal year 2014, shows it. Then we have to compare the same in the source system. Data entry matches between the source, which is EC1800, and the Caltic EC2400.